There's a lot other going on. I think we should talk about Tesla's stock split. Guys, like, again, I know we are in unprecedented territory and that some of the things that I learned in Finance 101 are being, like, some of the fundamental concepts are being tested now. And, we're in this artificial market. We're not really in this free market where things are allowed to die. But let's go back to Tesla's stock split. Nothing changes about the valuation. It just allows people who can't afford one $1,500 share to buy Tesla stock. Now, do I think that in and of itself is a reason to buy Tesla stock? The answer is no. I don't think that the folks out there that can't afford one Tesla share have enough money to, collectively, we all know how wide the wealth gap is in America and in the world, right? The people that can't afford one share of Tesla and now can afford one share of Tesla by splitting, 4 or 5 to 1, it's not going to move, a stock where, what's their latest market cap? Let me look it up. It's not going to move a stock with a $300 billion market cap, right? But will it allow some of the younger folks that don't have enough money, that are students, to buy in, feel great about Tesla, and over the next decade, as they earn more money, as they get out of school and they progress in their career and progress in how much productivity they can make in their skill set, to buy a Tesla? Yes, because it makes them feel connected with this innovative company. So I like it. Do I think it's a catalyst for the stock? Not necessarily. And the answer is no. If anything, to me, the catalyst for the stock is, if you're going to reach for straws about things that don't actually change the business and how it should be valued, what you should probably keep your eye on more is the S&P 500 inclusion, because institutional capital is really the capital that drives movements. Those are the big orders. Those are the big holders. So I would keep my eye on that. But again, if you're someone who can't afford a $1,600 Tesla stock and you want to buy, and you can buy it now, it's fine, right? It's great. I think a lot of this stock specifically moves on hype, and there are institutional level fanboys, I would say. I just personally don't like buying in at 7.6 times forward earnings, or for forward sales, mind you, for a largely hardware manufacturer and vertically integrated, albeit. I like Tesla. You all know that. I love Tesla, and I do think that there's something maybe 10 years in the future where I've heard this analogy before about how, what Apple turned your phone into a computer, Tesla's turning your car into a computer, and we're all going to be driving around cars that have app stores and all that stuff, right? I don't know. I think that's some lip service and some, wishful thinking. I mean, I don't really think that downloading Angry Birds on my Tesla is as game changing as being able to download Angry Birds on here. But, I do think autonomous driver network can arrive in a decade or two, and it'll be worth a lot. I would wait until maybe 4 times forward sales or 4.5. And that either can happen, right, by the stock price going down, but it doesn't need to go down. It could just hover around these levels until fundamentals catch up. And that's all I'm saying, right? That's all I'm saying. So, the expectations are high, and they're at peak height. The expectations for Tesla every single quarter to deliver from here on out is the highest it's ever been. And I've owned this stock longer than probably a lot of you knew that they even had stock, right? It's that classic saying, don't follow the herd. when others are greedy, be fearful. When others are fearful, be greedy, right? It's like, I don't think that this is a bubble per se, because a lot of other companies are trading at more asinine valuations than Tesla. But that's that. And I'm doing a lot of work on some stocks. Haven't been able to get really to any write-ups or long YouTube videos this week, so forgive me. But again, going to spend this weekend, kind of work through the weekend and catch up on a lot of stuff. So thank you so much for being here with me. Like every single week we run a $100 raffle and then two $30 raffles or giveaways. The $30 giveaways are done in real time right now. We pick them. And all you got to do is enter through the link below. The $100 raffles, if you're watching after the fact, you can enter anytime the week after this video, and then we pick it kind of the next show. So we're going to pick our first, well, I already picked it before the show started, but I picked the winner from last week, and hopefully you're on. It's Calvin C. from Canada. So congrats. I'll be Venmoing you or PayPaling you probably $100 before we're done. So that's cool. Okay, I see a lot of questions. Lots going on. Robinhood's no longer sharing their popularity data with like sites like RobinTrack. Okay, I didn't really care anyway. I don't really follow the herd there. So if you guys want to follow the herd, go follow the herd. But we're here. We are rooted in fundamentals and infinitely curious about how things progress in the world around us. You all know that I am a generally forward-thinking individual. I have a training in kind of the like fundamental old school art of value investing, but innately hyper interested in transformationally innovative things. So I've been interested in Tesla for so long, right? I probably own, right? I mean, I really love the tech companies at reasonable valuations if I believe in that company and I believe in their moat and I believe in their growth opportunity.